What's up, guys? So today will be a good day. We're gonna do some good stuff. First things first. I'm gonna go pick up. I've always wanted the 6.0 engine cover on my truck, so we're gonna go get that. And then after that, after we put it on and everything, we're gonna go to Spikes. And I'll be buying the Posi unit already, and I'm also gonna be buying some 456 gears. And my mechanic's gonna install them for me. So this thing's gonna haul ass. I mean, my top speed is gonna go down, but then again, why does it matter? Because I'm not gonna be going that fast. But I will need that some tires at home. I'm gonna need some fat tires, not fat, but some street radials. I'm gonna have to go buy some after this. So we're gonna need a retune after that also. But we're probably not gonna install them today. Just well, we're probably not gonna see them in the video, but we are gonna put on the 6.0 cover. You know, clean it up a bit, and it's gonna be crazy, guys. It's gonna be crazy. So I saw my friend. I stepped on it. His deal came out. Then I'm about to get spanked, man. But we'll see what happens. This should be fun. Hopefully, I don't miss too bad. The dude called me out, so you know what? Screw it. I have nothing else to do. The only problem is that my truck isn't gonna grip. I'll let you guys know how it goes. That's why I want mine to go. I don't want mine to just jump. I want it to just pull. I'm definitely gonna have a rematch with that dude later when I put the headers with the Posi and gears. Maybe I'll have a better chance. Doubt it though, because that thing was pretty quick. But yeah, that was sad. That was very sad. We'll see what else we can do. So here it is, guys. I finally got the 6.0 cover. I've been wanting this for months, literally months. I got off of this dude. It's actually in badass condition. 60 bucks. I paid 60 bucks for it, which is a badass price compared to the prices around here. 120, sometimes even more. 100 bucks. So I got it for 60. I mean, I know it's not 6.0, guys, but my engine bay doesn't look so clean. So right now, let's get it put on. I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look. Like, for real, my engine's gonna look so clean. I've been trying to get it to look clean. The only thing it was missing was just the middle one, but I took it off of my red one. And right now we'll get it put on. Just let me, I don't even know how they go. They should probably start with one side. Get one side going, and then we'll see how it looks. Let me figure it out first, and then I'll show you guys. Already got them in, just need to bolt them both on. So they already have on the freaking heads, they have the slots for these covers. I didn't know what they were for because I would always see them like maybe I missed something, but no, they're for here. Just 1 and 2, and then I'll put the other one on. So we got both sides in. My engine looks so clean, guys, like for real. I've been wanting this for the longest time. Just need the main piece. Damn! I'm gonna start lying to people that I was 6.0. I'll be telling people, hey guys, raise my 6.0, man. I definitely need to get this already so I can show it off more. But I'm gonna see later what kind of other plastics I can replace. Try to scrub and clean real good. Degrease all the black stuff, you know. Make it as clean as possible. Let me set it up so that we can look at it and worship that. So there it is, guys. The truck looks so much cleaner. You need to get this crap out of the way, but look at that. This makes the whole area around it look like crap. I need to get all this cleaned up, scrub it real nice, and it'll all look like this. People are gonna be like, bust the hood open. Here you go. 5.3 or take 6,000. No, for real, this thing looks nice. It really does. For 60 bucks, pretty good. And I'm gonna see what other little things I can work on, you know, get it all nice and clean. I want my engine bay to look clean since the outside looks like crap. But I'm already talking to the guy. I'm already gonna send it to get painted to be like a billet grayish kind of color. I'll talk to you guys about that later. So right now we're at the gas station. We're almost there. We're my uncle's daughters had to go to the restroom, so I decided to make a list because sometimes I get like sometimes I'm thinking of stuff that I want to do to the truck, but then there's so many things you can do, you know. So sometimes I get frustrated, you know, my head hurts to get headaches because just stressing out for no reason. So I made a list. I put down a lot of stuff. Ignore my horrible writing, but I put down a lot of stuff. I still need a lot of stuff marked down, but it's stuff that I need to do to the truck. And there's some stuff already done, which I'll mark and put down the part numbers, so I can already know like what I've done, you know, for like the cam stage 3, you know, let's say 109. So yeah, I don't know about these two yet. I don't know if I should do this or not, you know. I want to get pretty far, but we'll see what happens. They thought we were going to Walmart. Girls, this is where you get fast parts, okay? They thought we were going to Walmart. Yay. Let's go make your truck fast, yay! Front rim. Hell yeah. So I was gonna get the Yukon one, but I decided to get the Eden because this one holds a lot of power. And plus I don't want to risk breaking the other one and having to replace a lot of things, so I might as well just go big on it. So I got the Edon. I had to get the installation kit, and I got the 456 gears. So we're probably gonna drop everything off at my mechanics, and I am excited because we're gonna haul ass for the pair of 17s drag radials. They already told me it was gonna be $5.99, so we'll come get those in about a month or so. But hell yeah. Mechanic's actually pretty busy, so you won't be able to work on it till like 3 days from now. So I'm not gonna in this video you're not gonna see it done, but you will in the next one, trust me. So right now I'm just gonna open them up so we can see what we got here. This is the stuff in there, all the bearings, all the stuff to get it installed. Man, these things are heavy. So this is the installation kit, you know, all the stuff it needs. Get the gears opened. Oh my gosh, guys, this truck's gonna haul ass. Goodbye to my tires. I'm gonna have to get some drags for sure. Here are the gears. Oh my gosh, I would always see pictures of these, and I did not know they were gonna be this big. Oh man, they're huge. 456 gears is a real deal. No, I'm really excited, guys. Can't wait to have this. It's gonna be so crazy. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're almost there. Put these away in the tray. I gotta work in a bit, so sad, I know. But it's crazy, guys. All these things that I'm doing to my truck finally, you know. I've been wanting for the longest time to do so many things. I wanted to go fast. I was actually gonna go paint the truck already again, but it's funny because every single time that something comes up, so I can every single time that I'm about to paint the truck, something comes up, and I waste money on performance parts. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I always do this. I want to paint it, but then I don't, but then I do, and then I don't. But yeah, there it is. I'm not gonna mess with that. I don't want to, because I don't know if this stuff gets dirty or any of that stuff. You know, I don't want to contaminate anything. I really don't know if I should be touching it or not. But yeah. So that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Maybe it wasn't the most interesting video. Maybe it was to you guys. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this intake already on, but that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Next video is gonna be crazy. Hopefully we can have the truck ready by next video. It's gonna be crazy for real. We're gonna start making some. We gotta start making some real power soon. We gotta get to those 13s. I want to get to those 13s first. So hopefully we can get there soon. And remember, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. I don't post that much on Instagram, but I do message you guys sometimes. And on Snapchat also. Snapchat I do post way more, so make sure to follow me there. All this stuff will be in the description. Remember, guys, Jesus loves you. God bless you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.